Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download data from OneDrive using Microsoft Graph. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download data from OneDrive using Microsoft Graph, you'll first need to set up your environment. Begin by registering your application in the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure portal and sign in with your Microsoft account. Select Azure Active Directory from the left menu. Then, click on App Registrations. Click on New Registration to create a new app. Enter a name for your application. Choose the supported account types based on your needs. For the redirect URI, you can leave it empty for now. After filling out the details, click on Register. Once registered, take note of your application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, you need to set up API permissions for your app. In the app registration page, navigate to API permissions. Click on Add a permission. Select Microsoft Graph. Choose the permissions your app will need, such as files or read. Make sure to grant admin consent for the permissions. Next, you'll need to create a client secret for authentication. In the app registration page, select Certificates and Secrets. Click on New Client Secret. Provide a description and set an expiration period, then click Add. Take note of the client's secret value. Now, you can start coding. Open your preferred coding environment and create a new project. Add the necessary libraries for making HTTP requests and handling JSON. Include the Microsoft Graph SDK or use direct REST API calls. Set up authentication using the credentials you saved earlier. Request an access token using the client ID, tenant ID, and client secret. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.